Namaste everyone. Two spanners and 812. See, I am using small magnets here so that you can keep your things organized in the bag here. And these are two extensions which can be used on the screwdriver as well as on the ratchet. And this is a small T handle, and this is a lock plier. And one more thing, this is a valve key. When you take out the tire, when it gets punctured, to remove the valve pin, this key we need. This is very necessary. Now this is a primary toolkit. On the handlebar you see few things here. This is basically mobile holder, and this is a lighter socket where I can put the USB adapter and charge few things. And this is what you see here. This is the digital voltmeter, and it has got a switch here. If you are able to see when I put the switch on, you can see the voltage here, 12.4, and if I tap it, you will see the percentage of the battery, 69%, which is very bad. And because I had parked the bike for about a week and I was not there, and but even if it is about 60-65%, it starts, and luckily it has got a kickstarter also. So this whole thing get covered in the mud. This small thing I have cut it from the Tupperware box cap. And this small pouch what you see here, it has got opening on both sides. Once I open it, and if I put my finger here and push, you will see tire irons coming out. I have two tire irons here. Because the length of this tire levers are little longer than that water bottle. The thin foam I have used on all the sides, even at the bottom, sides and inside the cap. So these are the things which I carry all the time. And here in one more bag I'll show. Here I have two tubes here. This is the front one. This is a rear tube. And here I have a small cycle pump with adapter hose. This is adapter hose. Apart from CO2 cartridges, this comes very handy when filling the air. See here. This is a tire puncture patch. Okay, and this was the valve I was mentioning, which is used to fill the air from that CO2 cartridge. and here in this I have that small solution to fix the patch, and this in small tin I am carrying little grease, and this is the small hose which connects this valve to the CO2 cartridge.